Dear friends, these are all Canberries. You all know we drink lot of Canberry juice, but that juice has a sugar, so I thought, okay, let me take use of these Canberries in some other way. So these fruits taste bitter and sour. I just eat raw and see what I can make with this. So then I came to know that I felt like okay, let's make some goju. Goju in the sense in Kannada, goju means it's kind of a salsa or a paste or what do we call? It's kind of a sauce, thick sauce, where we can use it instantly in a hot rice and eat. So I am going to make that. These tiny red fruits are really they are clean. I brought fresh 2 packets. I washed them. It's already washed, but still I wash it one more time. And I check that any rotten fruits are there. Usually it's all good, but one or two you may get. So clean that, wash it once and clean them and keep it separately. So these red tiny fruits has lot of nutrients. They are very good in antioxidants and it's very good for a woman. Every day if she takes, her health will be really very good, and it's very good for urinary tract infection, and also it prevents many cancer diseases. So let us see how to make that goju. In Kannada, goju means it's kind of a salsa or sauce. So today I'm going to show you how to do that so that you can make and keep it at home. It stays for many days. If you keep in the fridge, you can keep it for an year also, I can say. So instantly when you have not made any gravy at home, so you can use this one and mix it with hot rice and eat. So let us see how to make this goju. So these are washed Canberries I kept. Now I am going to show you the ingredients what I am going to put for this. This is a seasoning box. Here I have cumin, mustard. This is a chili powder, red chili powder. This is urad dal, and this is chana dal. This is a seasoning box where we keep all these ready. Now I kept one pan, non-stick pan I have kept, and I put lot of oil. You can put some, for these 2 packets of Canberries you can put 1/4 cup of oil. So now when the oil is hot, you start adding the seasoning items. I added 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. It will start cracking. So you keep adding all the ingredients. I put 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of urad dal, and I add few red dry chilies. This seasoning gives a flavor to the dish. So this is the first common thing we do in Indian dishes. And I put asafoetida in what we call just a one teaspoon I put. Now it all starts cracking. Like when it makes this noise, it is ready. Now add the Canberries. Just add the Canberries into the seasoning. Mix it nicely. Nicely mix it. Let the flavor get into the Canberries. So after you keep mixing, I'm going to add water and let it boil. Let it cook. So this will cook very fast. Maybe 5 to 6 minutes to take. That's all. This now I added the turmeric powder. Add more turmeric powder. That is also very good for health. These both things are in superfood list. Canberries and turmeric. So I added turmeric powder, and now I will add water just as much as needed to cook these Canberries. I added maybe 1 cup of water or 1.5 cup of water for these 2 packets of Canberries. So I close the lid and I let it cook for a few minutes. Later you can check in between whether it is cooked or not. It will become very soft. Within 5 to 6 minutes it will become very soft. Once it becomes soft, then we will add the rest of the ingredients. This is the first step we are doing. I added water now and I close the lid and wait for a few minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. So now I open the lid and check whether it is cooked or not. Now you can see it's very soft. It's done. Its cooking is done. I mean, it's very soft. Now we can add the other ingredients, other 2 or 3 ingredients, that's all. Then the dish is ready. Now I'm going to add rock sugar, salt. Salt as much as you need it. I just used the rock salt because I didn't have the other salt at home. So any salt will do. So just add salt now. And now I'm going to add rasam powder. This is an Indian one gravy we make called rasam. That powder you get that in Indian shop or you can make at home. You get lot of YouTube videos how to make this rasam powder, or you buy the rasam powder from outside also will do. That I added 3 tablespoons for these 2 packets of Cadbury's. You can add more. You know how that how is the spice level in that rasam powder. So according to that you just add. So now I feel I should add more red chili powder because I like this as a more spicy. So I add extra spice by using red chili powder. That rasam powder already has spice, so please check that before adding this red chili powder. But I add more red chili powder. And then I also added after I added red chili powder, I just mix. I tasted it, it was not enough, so I add some more red chili powder. And we need to add some jaggery into this just to give that sweetness, little bit of sweetness, because these Cadbury's are very sour, and we added chili powder for the spice, and now we need a little bit of sweetness in this. Then only the dish will taste better. I am going to add jaggery powder now. This is also available in any Indian shop, jaggery powder, which is good for health. So I added 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Do not add sugar. You have to add only jaggery powder. Jaggery is different than sugar. This is good for health. It has iron and lot of things. Sugar is not. So thank you for watching. Make this and eat at home. Thank you so much. Bye bye.